Hi, so today I'm going to show you how I store my airbrush tattoo reusable stencils. Now I've done it like this for years, so it works. It's really simple, really cost effective. So let's get to it. Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like down below. Post your comments, tell me what you do at the moment, how you store your stencils. Do you like what I do? Okay, so what you'll need is a marker pen. You'll need some sticky labels, Polly Pockets, A4 Polly Pockets, and a ring binder, a big one. Now I've got over 450 stencils, so they've got to be looked after and put away in a system. Otherwise you'll be in a complete mess. Okay, so what you do is you number your entire stencil collection. Give them all a number. Then you will write your number. Say we'll go number 1. You would write number 1 on your sticky label. If we do that. So you would say number 1 stencil. And on your Polly Pocket, top right hand corner, stick your number. So that's like that. And then whatever stencil that you numbered number 1 goes in this pocket. Okay? And you put it down the bottom of your pocket. And you do that for every single stencil that you've got. Now I've got over 450, but I didn't have all 450 in one go, so it wasn't like, oh my god. I built the collection up and up and up and up. So every time I buy more, I just add the numbers on. I'm up to I think I'm on 460 something number now. So then what you do is, if I show you one I've already got, one of mine. So I do, let's have a look, number 1 to 150 in this one. So there's 150 stencils in here. So if I show you, you can see number 1 is labelled there, and then all the numbers are in order going along. Now some of them I've written the name of what they actually are as well, and the main reason for that is when you're cleaning, if you clean a lot of the time, you can get in a muddle. But I'm so sad, I know practically every single number in my kit and I know what it is. I could go on Mastermind for what is this number tattoo. It's like people come up to me and they'll go, can I have a number whatever? And I'll go, oh yeah, Mickey Mouse. And I'll go, how do you know that? I didn't learn it on purpose. I've just done it for that many years. You just get to know all the numbers. Some of them I don't know. The unpopular designs, then I don't know those numbers, but pretty much I know the numbers off by heart. So you keep them like that, all in their number order, and you keep them nice and flat in your book, and they're dead easy to get. So every time you get a customer, you just flick through your number, ask them the number, you flick through, you can easily get your stencil out, and that's it, dead easy. Simple. So really simple, really highly effective, really cheap, and it works. You can clean these. If these get dirty, you can just clean them with Surgical Spirit, or just get a new one. They're not that expensive. So there you go. If you like my top tips today, hit the like button down below, subscribe to my channel for more top tips, tricks and hacks on everything Airbrush Temporary Tattoos. And don't forget, if you want to find out more about starting in this business, then the easiest way to do that is to download the Airbrush Essentials Toolkit. Now, this is a masterclass that I created. It's 3 free classes of the first part of the Airbrush Academy. And it shows you what you need to get started. It shows you all the stencils that you need to get started, the most popular stencils which have been popular all the years, and it shows you about the air sources, which is the best air source for you. So that is completely free. So in the link below, in the description, there's a link that'll take you where you can download that masterclass for free. So subscribe to my channel and enjoy, and don't forget, airbrush like a boss.